The first thing is the next candle going to be bearish? 100%. What do I need you to have a belief in? That the candle can close bullish or bearish? What do I also need you to believe in? That you know where the market is going. So we know it's going down. That's a fact. Now, if you can add more confluences to that trade that supports the idea versus reasons not to, then you have a perfectly processed trade idea. If you want to write that down, I'm going to write that down later and turn it into a formula, send it into the group. I won't remember actually, but that's all you need to understand. So now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go here on the hourly and say, this is the ideal entry, correct? At the flip. Then I'm going to say, here's where price can get to for management and or TP. Then I'll go over to the 1 minute and then say to myself, was there an entry here close to the flip? The answer is yes. Is there a recognizable pattern here? The answer is yes. Is there a deviation here? The answer is yes / lower high. The question is, can I clearly identify this over and over again? Yes. Am I entering in the top third of the candle with enough range back to the downside for management? The answer is either yes or no for you, whether you care or not. So the question isn't, is this a good trade? The question is this a perfectly processed trade that we should all be taking or could be taking without anybody saying that you cannot take this? The answer is yes. Was this trade tradable? The answer is yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
3 pip stop loss, and then whatever. Management to the low and or if you care or don't care. Was this tradable? The answer is everybody agree or not agree?
Yeah, totally.
100% agree. That's called a perfect process trade. Okay. So with this trade is a little bit more complicated to understand. With this trade, everyone should understand, but preference may not allow you to take it. With this one is a little bit more harder to understand. This one is very easy to understand. This one is extremely easy to understand. Previous candle bearish, small to medium range with the idea that we can have a bigger range candle to the downside and range back to the low. Okay. This one is, we could start tearing these really, can't we? This one is very easy to understand. Is very easy. Is decently easy to understand. But buddy sells. Attempt to go higher, failure, nice base, decently easy to understand. Look, man, you may have not taken a trade today, you may have taken a trade that has won, but don't look at that result. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.